Hello students, as the laboratories are closed and these new methods have to be followed for the teaching learning of the laboratories by the virtual lab method. Today we'll learn one of the titrimetric analysis, that is redox titration. It is the titration of KMnO4 potassium permanganate against or versus oxalic acid. Potassium permanganate normality has to be calculated, that is approximately 0.1 normal. It is very dilute solution, and generally this titration used in various types of the estimations involved in the pathological labs as well as the food chemistry labs, where oxalic acid contents are analyzed with KMnO4. KMnO4 is oxidizing agent, oxalic acid reducing agent. The titration type is the redox titration. So exact 0.1 normal H2C2O4 solution is prepared in 1 liter by diluting its equivalent weight. Its equivalent weight is nearly about 3.575. So that grams of the weight of the oxalic acid on watch glass on a balance, it is weighed, and that weight is transferred to 250 ml flask, and 1/4 equivalent weight is taken for 250 ml dilution. And to this exact normal 1.1 normal oxalic acid solution, it is diluted up to mark, and this solution is taken for the titration. In burette, this approximately 0.1 normal KMnO4 solution is taken. So it is filled in the burette for the titration. It is a titrant. In the conical flask, about 250 ml conical flask, 25 ml of this solution, oxalic acid solution, reducing agent, is taken. That is titrated against the potassium permanganate, that is oxidizing agent. But before titration, the solution is heated on the burner, because at high temperature, lesser than 100 degrees Celsius, the reaction takes place, a redox reaction between KMnO4, 5 KMnO4 generally reacts with the 6 oxalic acid H2C2O4, and manganate ion oxidation state from 7 plus is changed to 2 plus, and the end point of titration is the colorless to pink. KMnO4 itself acts as the indicator, and whenever the titration is completed in the hot solution, the XML reading is obtained. That CBR XML reading is taken by taking 3 or more readings, and the constant burette readings X is used for determination of normality of KMnO4. The relation for this titrimetric analysis is N1V1 is equal to N2V2. One is the oxidizing agent side, another is the reducing agent side. That is approximately 0.1 N KMnO4. It corresponds to correct or exact 0.1 normal H2C2O4 oxalic acid. This is the formula, and this is the molecular formula, structural formula of the oxalic acid. So in this way, Mn7 plus get converted into Mn2 plus. Color change is given by the KMnO4, and titration is ended. And from the X reading of the KMnO4 XML CBR, the normality, exact normality is calculated. X is V1, normality N1 calculated. V2 is the 25 ml of oxalic acid, and correct normality of oxalic acid is 0.1 normal. So from that, correct normality of the oxidizing agent, that is KMnO4, is determined. And this titration is used for variety of the commercial sample analysis. So what type of the questions are asked on this titrimetric analysis? What is oxidizing agent? Here KMnO4 is the oxidizing agent. Whether its normality is accurate or approx, that will be asked, 0.1 normality. What is the reducing agent? H2C2O4 oxalic acid. What is its formula? COH. It is organic acid. Then it has having correct normality, that is 0.1 normal. What much amount of the equivalent weight is taken for the preparation of oxalic acid? That will be asked. What type of the oxidation state changes for the Mn from 7 plus to 2 plus? That will be asked. How the redox titration is performed, the procedure will be asked. This type of the questions will be asked. And what is the use of this redox titration in the commercial analysis? That will be asked at the time of exams when conducted orally. Thank you.